सो ये LG का स्मार्ट स्टाइलर है. Basically what this is this is a way to maybe sanitize, semi-wash, not clearly wash, semi-wash, then steam presses, irons your clothes. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Is basically you hang your wrinkled bad clothes here, right? I did some packing. I just came from a flight. See, if you see, right, there are creases and all, there are wrinkles, right? I'll just show it here as well. Right, if you see, there are visible lines, not wearable shirts, t-shirts. What you need now is you just need to basically iron them properly before you wear them, right? So how this all works is you have two tanks here. One is a drain tank. Basically, once this is filled, you just empty the water. One is a water tank. You just add water when it is empty, right? Now after this, you just close it. But there is this section, right? This is for your pants and everything, right? You just use a hanger here with the pants up. This basically presses that also, and it does work very well. So if you see, right, there are visible creases, right? So what we'll do is we'll just close this up. I turn it on. I have to select what sort of preparation I want, right? So I'll do a refresh for heavy, right? And I'll let everything else remain the same, right? And it showed me 59 minutes. I'll just press it on, right? Now it will take 1 hour, but what it does is it will like refresh my clothes, do all the sanitization and everything, right? Remove all the creases and steam irons my clothes, right? After 1 year, we'll just open, after 1 hour, sorry, we'll just open it and see how the clothes feel, right? So the timer has finished, it has done its work. Let's see the results. So if you see, let's start with the shirt. The creases are gone. It feels a bit fresh and warm also. If you see this t-shirt now, it's 1 or 2 creases here and there, but most of it's sorted, right? It feels like, if you see from far, right, it is wearable now. Previously it was not wearable. I won this is because of the tool. Rest, if you see, right, so show the shots, seems very crisp, right? I've tried it a few times on various type of clothing and it works really well, right? But if you compare it with traditional clothing, traditional ironing, it would not. So it's more like gets the work done, but if you want like 100% crispness, 100% like perfect thing, right? So then this is not for you, but it does the work, right? While traveling, if I have this, I won't need a traditional iron for sure. So perfect, thumbs up.